Hey guys, Drew here from 4x4 Mods Australia. Well, last night Project Patrol did what Project Patrols do, and she destroyed a Panhard Rod while she was driving home from work and got the real big shakes through the steering wheel, so we knew exactly what it was pretty much straight away. So we've got in touch with our good mates at Tough Dog, who supplied us a brand new Panhard Rod for the front, nice adjustable unit, so we're going to get the old one out, get the new one in, and show what it looks like when she's all in.
Righto, so as you can see, this is the factory one, and that is the problem right there. All that rubber gone. So here's the brand new one that our friends at Tough Dog hooked us up with. Thank you very much to Tough Dog. Beautiful shiny silver new one. So we're going to get this one back in and see what she looks like. Okay, so job done, we're all installed. The center dampener is reinstalled as well, and that's a Tough Dog item as well. And we're all set to go. So all our adjustments are done, steering wheel's nice and straight, everything's even left to right. So now we're going to go for a drive and make sure everything's all good.
Yeah.
Okay, so all went well. We're back from our road test, all nice and vibration free. Everything seems to be pretty well sorted. So we're going to book it in for a wheel alignment to get it all dialed in 100% and back on the road and back on the tracks. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you give us a like on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll be back with more videos very shortly.